best friend. I see you in the back, girl. Boy, sit down. I see you. Anywho, thank you for coming back. So today we got a lot of things going on. I tell you I'm gonna do a DIY, cooking, motivation. I'm doing all that in one. I'm grabbing breath this year, 2019. So let's get to it. Today, I'm going to give y'all a little inside view on the new journey of Let's Lose This Weight, kick it off. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not going to the gym all the time every day. I am not going to cut out sugar, carbs, and all the good stuff. Well, let me rephrase, all the bad stuff that's good for you. Woo, my list got, I was thinking about donuts and funnel cakes and hamburger. Let me stop, because we're going to do good this year. We're going to stay on track. I know it, you know it. Yes, best friend, you. I'm talking about you in the back. We're going to stay on track. Also, I'm going to do a DIY today, so I have to go to the hardware store, and I need to get some Rust-Oleum spray cans. I have 1.5. I think I need to get like 2 more, so I'm going to show you a DIY project with that. And yes, guess what? I had to weigh in, and I did get on the scale, and I weighed 214. Ugh. We need to bust that 4 pounds off in 2 weeks. So we're trying to lose 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds a week. We can do it. You see that water back there? Boop, boop. That's our best friend. Get you some. Get you some. So come with me today. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. It is Saturday. Alright guys, remember I was telling you I was going to bring you a DIY project. So remember back in the day people used to have the bars in the house? Well, I wanted a bar cart and I couldn't find one at a reasonable price. So, me being me, I found one alright. Found one in my mom's junk room. And it's gold and it's rusted, if you can see. Look at all that rust on there. And it's dusty. But it's the perfect fit to what I'm looking for and what I need to do to make it over. So, today, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and transform this into the color that I need. And I'm going to get it all nice and shiny. And I'm going to show you how you can change this into the perfect design in your home. Alright, so we just need about 4 or 5 different items. And I'm going to tell you that right now. You're going to need a cart. Find you a nice cart that you're looking for. And then once you find the cart that you're looking for, find the paint color that you want. Rust-O-Meter. I love this stuff. This stuff is good to use when you want to do a fast DIY project. They're a little expensive. They're about $7, $8, $9 depending on what color and style that you're looking for. But today, as you can see, I'm going to do a flat antique nickel. Because pretty much that's the color that's in my house. I don't have any gold. I have flat antique nickel. And then for it not to even rust again, I found this, guess where? The Dollar Tree. Ain't that crazy? I don't know what Dollar Tree I was at, but I found it probably a while back. Oops, found it a while back. And it never wet. So it's supposed to help you from protecting your paints and items from rusting. And if you spill water on them, or as you can see, a bar cart liquor, it's not going to rust. So we're going to try this out, and this is a 2-step process, which you can see, and it was $1 because it was at the Dollar Tree. And last but not least, you're going to need some water, and you're going to need a paper towel just to clean off the cobwebs, the dust, or anything like that. But we're going to get to it. Okay, so this is our DIY for today. Alright guys, so right now we're going to do step 1 through 4 of revamping this bar cart. You want to remove the glass safely. You want to take a damp towel and wipe down your bar cart. You want to take a Rust-Oleum spray 1, 2, 3 inches away in long, nice, even strokes. You want to repeat 3 to 4 about 2 times, and then you want to let it sit and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you want to come back and repeat steps 3 and 4 again. You probably have to do this about 3 to 4 times until you get an even coat, and make sure you don't miss any spots. Alright, so let's get this second coat on the road. And for this, you have to spray a little bit close to make sure that you're getting everything. So this time we're spraying inside. We're spraying inside. We're hitting stuff that we missed the first round. And I need to keep walking. Any spots that we missed, corners and creases, we are spraying. Alright guys, this is just the finished project, the revamp, and the after. Try it out. Really cool. Hey guys, it's late tonight. I am just now eating dinner. We had a lot of things we have did. But right now I'm just going to sit down and go over the day, the review. So I told you I'm on a new journey, a healthy life. We're going to get our life together. Yes, you in the back. I see you too, but we're going to get it together. So I have been drinking my water, and I'm not lying. I just refilled it. Boo, this is 300 milliliters. I don't know what 300 milliliters is. I don't know if it's a liter, half a liter, who knows. But I've been drinking this and I just refilled it back up, so I'm going to start drinking it again after dinner. It is late, but I am eating dinner, and it's 6 turkey healthy meatballs with the 5 veggie sauce. So yes, and that's just a cup and a half, and I have 6 turkey meatballs in there. So I'm doing good, and I might eat half of this. I don't know, but I'm going to eat it because I'm hungry. And to quench my thirst, I have been drinking sparkling water, and it's 0 calories. So I have been, and you see how much I've been drinking, because I've been killing my water. So, but a tip that I want to tell y'all that y'all guys might want to try if you're really serious about your new journey and you're trying to kick the bad habits is gum. Okay. This is Trident gum, not sponsored, but I got these little pouches you can sit in your car, your desk, and your nightstand, and pretty much that's where they are going. And also, I'm gonna put these in my coat pocket if I need to, because I'll be somewhere and I'm like, ooh, what is that? And I just instantly go to it and I'll be ready to eat it, but I'm not gonna do it, because you know why? Best friend, we're gonna keep each other accountable. Friend, we're gonna keep each other. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. We're gonna keep each other accountable. So, get hungry. Tic tac. I got the gum. But for now, I'm gonna end this because I'm ready to eat, and I'm gonna sip on my water, and then I'm going to go to bed. And tomorrow we're gonna start off with a new day, a new journey, and we're gonna have our motivational talk, and we're gonna start the week off blessing each other and everything and above. So I'll see you tomorrow. Be on time, because today you was not on time. Be on time, okay? Thank you, best friend. Hey guys, welcome back for pressing play. So today I'm looking down at my phone because I'm about to do something, go somewhere, but I just came from the hardware store. I got out of church and I praised the Lord, and I told him everything that I need and healing and want and thank yous and blessings. So we're going to start this Sunday out great, doing great positive things. And that being said, I'm going to give you a quote for the week, and it's, if you don't follow your heart, you might spend the rest of your life wishing you had. So please do everything impossible in 2019 what you want to do. If you want to be a basketball player, a rapper, a singer, a songwriter, or you just want to be human and do what you need to do, go ahead and do it. It's nothing wrong with being the best person you can be for 2019. Also, I'm so happy. I'm just doing better with myself, and I'm going to be a great person this year, so I hope you're a great person too. Friend, thank you for joining in. And I also want to tell you today, I hope these meaningful words inspire you to do something great, and you take every moment and you cherish it. So until then, I will see you next week. Tell me how you've been doing. Drop some comments in the bottom. Like, share, subscribe. Be a friend of a friend of a friend. You know how I feel. Sit down. I see you in the background. But until then, I see you next time. So enjoy.